Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to log out or sign out of your Atomic wallet. If you have multiple wallets of Atomic and you want to log out of the current one and log into the second one, you can do it within the application of Atomic wallet. So all you do is open up the application. Once you're here on the home screen of Atomic wallet, you just tap on the more option on the bottom right. From here you just need to scroll down and tap on Logout. As soon as you do that, you will be logged out of your Atomic wallet. Now you can again tap open it, and then you can just type in the 12-word phrase of the new account or the new wallet that you want to log in, and then log into your wallet. So that's basically how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.